Hi, Sky!
Hi, DJ.
Ayan, welcome sa Love Radio, Sky. Sige, kwentuhan mo na ako. Anong maipaglilingkod ko sa iyo, love? At napatawag po sa Usapang LDR.
Well, thanks for the opportunity. DJ, kasi meron akong partner before for 9.5 years. So, when I decided to go back dito sa atin, all of a sudden, bigla na lang nawalan ng communication. Although, I know exactly what to do, pero there are times na, alam mo yun, naaalala mo pa rin siya even though na wala na kayong communication because I was blocked in Facebook, Viber, WhatsApp, everything. So wala kaming communication. Pero when there comes a time na parang naiisip mo siya na de-depress ka, alam mo exactly what to do but hindi mo mapaliwanag. Nangihina ka, hindi mo alam kung ano talagang tamang dapat gawin. Although alam ko naman. Pero you got the point of pag wala palang disclosure, napakahirap.
Okay. Bakit ano bang nangyari sa inyo? Bakit kayo biglang nag-break?
Hindi, kasi I decided I have to go back dito sa Manila kasi we used to work abroad. So magkasama kami sa bahay. And I decided na uwi na lang ako. He's younger than me, around 10 years. So, all of a sudden, nag-decide ako kasi I got sick. So, ayoko naman na maging pabigat sa kanya sa abroad. So ayun, an abrupt decision na dito na lang ako sa Pilipinas. So, nag-usap naman kami, everything. But after less than 10 days, wala na. He just started blocking me, ignoring all my message, even ignoring my friends.
Okay.
Anyone who is related to me, parang hindi niya na pinansin. Kasi alam naman niya na tatanungin siya tungkol sa akin. So, it was
Okay. Yung abrupt decision mo to go back dito sa Philippines, anong naging reaction mo doon, love?
Ako, all of a sudden, malalaman ko, uy, ganito, birthday niya, like 3-4 months ago, birthday niya, tapos nagkita kami ng tita ko. All of a sudden, nung kinukwento ng tita ko, parang ano yun, ang sakit pa rin.
Wait lang, Sky. Feeling ko kasi hindi ko narinig yung sagot mo dun sa tanong ko na what was his reaction or your partner's reaction rather nung sinabi mo nga you'll make that abrupt decision. Since it's abrupt nga, hindi siya handa dun sa idea of you being away from each other kasi for 9.5 years, used siya sa feeling na andyan ka lang. Na magkasama kayo, na you can see each other whenever you want to. So, anong naging reaction niya nung you had to go back?
He was aware of everything, kung my condition, because I have a colon cancer.
Okay.
And it was not easy for me. Sorry.
It's okay, love. It's okay. There's nothing to be sorry about. Go ahead.
I thought we made it clear that, that we're still gonna be us. And there's nothing, there no changes at all. It's just a matter, it's gonna be LDR, long distance relationship. So he even promised me and assured me that nothing will change.
Unfortunately, that's not the case.
That's not the case, yeah. That's true.
Tapos ngayon, even if you know exactly what to do, kumbaga, kung academe ito, you know each and every step, alam mo kung ano yung mga corners ng moving on, it's just that nagkakaroon lang tayo ng problema sa execution.
True. Kasi ano naman I'm not gonna lie, I do have a boyfriend right now. And parang it's not fair for someone that he's supposed to be being nice with you. In return, I mean, hindi pala 100% na yung supposed to be attention ko sa kanya lang. It does so happen na every now and then, like today,
Mhm.
Ayun, that's why magkausap tayo kasi I don't know what exactly to do. I don't know whom to talk to. Parang ganun. Kasi I live alone. So, mo yun, walang... You have friends, but they're not the right channel to talk about this thing. Parang they wouldn't understand. Parang kasi puro babae. So, it just makes... I just feel that it's just gonna make fun of you when you try to confide with them. So parang for me, it's not worth it. Okay, I'll try to find someone who's gonna be, let's say, who has an authority to, at least, could say the right things.
Naiintindihan kita, Sky, no? Let's just put it this way, mahal. It's 9 years of your life. And siguro yung biggest battle mo or biggest battle ng buhay mo, andun siya kasi sa simula. Siya yung kahawak kamay mo sa simula ng gera. So, it's just but unfortunate for you that you have to let that hand go. Kasi may mga kailangan kang ayusin on your own. Unfortunately din, nung bumitaw ka, hindi siya kumapit. Bumitaw lang din siya. So, of course, that has a big impact sa puso mo. But, Sky, it doesn't mean kasi na hanggang ngayon, siya pa din at hindi itong present mo. The fact na na-appreciate mo siya and the fact na ramdam niyang na-appreciate mo siya. Minsan, we just have to say or tell ourselves na maybe, as of this moment, this is enough. I am doing enough. I am not yet there, but I'm getting there. I just have to give myself a tap on the back for having to, sabihin na natin na, walk through that journey ng ganito nakahaba, ng ganito nakalayo. Sky, ganito, no? Meron kang choice before not to open your heart, not to let someone in your life because you know sa puso mo na this guy is very much special sa'yo. But you did, Sky. Not because kailangan mo ng atensyon, not because kailangan mo ng help, but because you know you have so much love in you. And you just have to give it to someone that you know is deserving of that kind of love. And you're doing it, Sky. That's the reason why your boyfriend is not complaining about everything. Or your partner right now is not complaining about anything sa'yo. It's because alam niya na what you are giving right now, Sky, is enough. That you are enough. Having you is enough. Maybe you have to look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself na I am doing enough. Hindi naman sa wala akong ginagawang effort to forget this person eh. I am doing every effort to forget this person. It's just that hindi ganun kadaling itapon ang 9.5 years. Hindi naman ako yung tipo ng tao na kapag lumabas siya bigla dyan sa harapan ko, pipiliin ko siya over this person eh. I'm not that person. I am not heartless. Hindi ako yon. I appreciate the people that I'm with. I appreciate the journey I have gone through. And I'm not the type of person who will throw it all away just because I am stupid and not thinking and because I'm letting my heart take over my mind. I'm not that type of a person. And I don't think you are, Sky. So if nakakaramdam ka paminsan-minsan na naiisip mo yung guy na yun, it's just but normal.
Sorry to cut.
It's okay.
DJ Lala, it's just a matter of when, I open my Facebook, tapos you see yung 4 years ago, 3 years ago, your activities, when I see those pictures, parang, I mean, what have I done? I mean, although I'm okay, but when I see those kinds of pictures, the memories, parang tinutusok ako ng lungkot, alam mo yun?
Kaya lang, Sky, are you blaming yourself for having to lose that relationship? Are you blaming yourself for what happened sa inyong dalawa? You had to do what you had to do, Sky.
Yeah, true. Kaya lang, siguro it was not really me kung sino may problema. It was him because he was, if he was able to just let it go just like that for less than 10 days, and parang bakit ko siya kailangang habulin. Pero syempre, easy to say but it's quite hard to do, I mean, kung pwede nga lang eh.
Maybe you have to stop forcing yourself to do it, Sky. Just, kumbaga, let the process do its magic. Kasi right now, you are on the process eh. There's no rush in moving on. There's no rush in forgetting. There's no rush in getting through the pain, Sky. Walang fast track dyan. Kung meron sanang fast track dyan and it's effective, everybody could have done it. Pero walang ganun, Sky eh. So yung mga memories na yan, it's a reminder of how far you've gone. Not of the things you've lost or people you've lost in your life. It's a memory or a reminder na ang layo na rin pala ng narating ko, no? Na kahit pala pinagdaanan ko tong mga to, biruin mo, nakatayo pa ako. Akala ko nga walang magmamahal sa akin, pero in a relationship ako ngayon. Oo, at naaalagaan niya ako. And I told you, Sky, you look younger than your actual age.
Well, I'm 46.
Oo, 'di ba? Parang that's a manifestation, Sky. Na even if may pinagdadaanan tayo, meron kasi din talaga tayong pinaguhugutan ng lakas. So even if ang hirap ng mga pinagdadaanan natin, sobrang, alam mo yon, kung normal ka at kung mahina ka, actually, baka bumigay ka na. Pero yung itsura mo, Sky, you are far from doing that eh. You are far.
I'm gonna do something stupid.
Diba? You are far from giving up. You are far from that person na sasabihin sa sarili niya, I'm never gonna love again. You are a goal-getter, Sky. And someone saw that in you. And someone loved that in you. And still loves you for being that. So maybe, itong mga moments na to, ibigay mo na tong balato sa sarili mo. Na I am human. Every once in a while, malulungkot ako for the people I've lost. For the people na wala ngayon sa tabi ko. But I'll forever be thankful to them. Kasi kahit anumang nangyari sa amin, hindi ko man naintindihan kung paano at bakit, it led me to a person who appreciated who I am and what I have become after everything I've gone through.
Yeah.
Oo. Huwag mong sabihin sa sarili mo na naiinis ako kasi hindi ko mabigay sa kanya. No. No, love. You are giving him enough. Kasi kung hindi yan sapat, Sky, siya mismo magsasabi sa'yo. Siya mismo ang magpupuna sa'yo na, Sky, hindi ko nararamdamang mahal mo ko. But that person never did. Because he never felt it, Sky. I know you know within you can give so much more, pero you have to give yourself some time. Bigyan mo ng oras yung sarili mong makarecover. But right now, give yourself a tap on the back kasi you are doing enough to keep this person with you.
Yeah.
Wag
Thank you, DJ.
wag mo siyang i-push away just because dinadoubt mo yung sarili mo. Right now, you are doing great, Sky. Right now, you are loving that person the way you know how, the best way you know how. So you always have to appreciate yourself for that. Na ang layo ng narating ko, grabe yung pinagdaanan ko, grabe din yung nawala sa akin, pero good job to me for opening my heart once more and letting myself be happy, feel loved, and fall in love.
Thanks, DJ.
Naintindihan mo ako? Now, if you have a message doon sa tao na I'm sure, Sky, is lucky to have you in his life, ano gusto mo sabihin sa kanya?
Nothing. I think just, take care of himself. And that's it. I mean, I think he's happy right now. Wherever he is. I mean, I know he's okay. So, yun lang. I'm okay with that. Basta alam ko lang masaya siya, he's okay, and I'm good with that.
Itong partner mo kasama mo ngayon, Sky?
Actually, it's his birthday, and I have to go to work.
Happy birthday sa kanya.
And he's good, he's decent, and no complaint. Alam mo yun. So, yun lang. I mean,
Sky, I know
lucky
na,
to have him.
yes, and you are the greatest gift that ever walked in his life. Remember that. Always remember that. And you'll be that. Lagi mong tatandaan na ikaw yung luck, ikaw yung blessing sa buhay niya. Lagi mo ilalagay sa isipan mo every waking morning mo. And you will be that person. May embrace mo yung katauhan na yan. May embody mo yan sa sarili mo. And one day, magugulat ka na lang. Wala ka nang maalala sa nakaraan. All you are looking forward to is the future you'll have with this person in your life right now. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, thanks, DJ.
Salamat din, love.
I'm better right now.
Yeah, I know. Hindi ako yung nagpa-better sa sayo, Sky. You did that. Ni-reiterate ko lang yung mga bagay na nasa iyo na. Sinabi ko lang sa iyo yung mga bagay na alam kong ikaw na, Sky. So thank you for being that person. So ingat ka to work, Sky.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, DJ. And God bless you.
Thank you, love. Ingat ka lagi, love.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sure, bye. Thanks.
Kabisyo, alam ko pong sometimes na frustrate tayo. Kasi gusto nating mahalin na yung taong nasa harapan natin ng buong buo eh. Katulad ng kung paano natin minahal yung nakaraan, kung paano tayo nagbigay todo sa nakaraan. But we can never love a person the same way we loved someone else eh. Kumbaga hindi mo siya pwedeng mahalin sa parehas na paraan na minahal mo yung nakaraan. Kasi kung parehas mo lang yan gagawin, kung parehas lang yung magiging atake mo dyan, it will end up the same way. So if you think you are not yet doing enough to love that person, instead of making yourself realize na maybe mahal ko pa yung nakaraan, or maybe hindi pa siya 100% kasi yung 50% nasa nakaraan pa, ang isipin mo, ang ilagay mo sa kokote mo, ang ilagay mo sa mindset mo or gawing mong mindset is, hindi pa to 100%. I can still give more. And I will do more. I will give more. I will love more. I'll get there. Dahan-dahan, nang walang pagmamadali. Because I have all the time and the future on my side to do it. As long as I'm making this person happy, one day at a time, I'm okay. I'll be okay. Okay?